Titlewave is one of the best resources for teachers too. Teachers can sign up for Titlewave, and it is a wonderful collaboration tool as you're working in the classroom libraries and even working on curriculum connections and that co-teaching that you do with your teachers. And so from the front page again, right under the For the Library, there's Classroom Solutions. And when you click on that, you will come to this Classroom Solution page that you can explore by grade, you can explore by topic, you can find those different tools that Follett has put together there, and even additional resources too. And so a really great place to send your teachers to. They'll be able to find just really great things that they can use within their classroom too.